Good morning. Let's turn on the lights. Anyway, happy Tuesday, lovelies. I did not intend to make video today because I have to be going to work anytime soon. But I found myself waking up to the rain and I was like, there's no way, there's no way, there's no way. I still have 2 more hours before I get to work, and I have a few things I want to take care of today. May we be productive this week? Actually, that's very important. Let me savor some candle moments before I go out. Rise and shine. I wake up in the mornings and the day is still like warm out like this in the mornings. It's fun. It's getting into that period. I don't like winter, by the way. So. From your end.